What is Git and why use it?
Git is a powerful tool for tracking changes in code and collaborating with others. It allows you to manage different versions of your project, undo mistakes, and work with teammates more efficiently. Whether you're creating software, writing documents, or handling any files, Git helps you keep everything organized and recover previous work at any time.
Installing Git on your computer.
Start by downloading and installing Git. For Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, visit the official Git website and choose the version for your operating system. Follow the installation wizard's prompts and accept default settings. Once installation is complete, you can open a command prompt or terminal to get started.
Creating a new project folder.
Choose a location on your computer and create a new folder for your project. This folder will hold all your files under version control. Name it something meaningful, such as My First Project. Open your command prompt and change into this directory using the cd command, so you're ready to initialize your repository.
Initializing your first Git repository.
With your project folder open in the terminal, type git init and press enter. This command sets up Git tracking in your folder. Git creates a hidden folder to store version information. From now on, every change you make can be recorded and managed by Git.
Making your first commit.
Create a new file in your project folder, like readme.md. Add some text inside as a description. In your terminal, type git add readme.md to stage the file. Then git commit-m initial commit to save the first version. Congratulations! You've made your first commit and begun tracking your project with Git.